Understanding, hit the home stretch. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, hit the home stretch. It's a phrase you might come across in various contexts, and understanding it can really add to your fluency in English. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations. When someone says they've hit the home stretch, they're talking about approaching the final phase of a task, project, or journey. It's that moment when the end is in sight, and completion is just around the corner. This phrase is often filled with a sense of relief, anticipation, or excitement because it signifies that the hardest parts are likely over, and success is close at hand. This phrase comes from the world of horse racing. In a race, the home stretch is the last straight portion of the track before the finish line. It's where races are often won or lost, and the tension is at its highest. Over time, this term has been adopted into everyday language to describe nearing the end of any kind of effort or journey. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in real-life situations. In a work context, after months of hard work on this project, we finally hit the home stretch. Only a few tasks left before we're done. In a personal goal, I can't believe I've hit the home stretch of my fitness challenge. Just 1 week to go. In education, as finals week approaches, it feels like we've hit the home stretch of the semester. These examples show that the phrase can be used in a variety of scenarios, from professional to personal. While it's a versatile phrase, it's also important to know when not to use it. Since it conveys a sense of nearing completion, it wouldn't be appropriate for situations where a project or task is just beginning. There's still a significant amount of work or time left before completion. The outcome is still highly uncertain, and it's too early to anticipate the end. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at what it means to hit the home stretch. We hope this video has helped clear up the meaning and usage of this phrase for you. Remember, learning idiomatic expressions is a great way to enrich your English and sound more like a native speaker. Until next time, keep stretching towards your language learning goals, and we'll see you at the finish line.